You down with TTT? Look at this guy. He doesn't have a body.
So do I. The rest is not to like a mile.
Okay, we got 3 miles to go.
Grandpa, can you tell her to let me try?
Okay, let her try. Take turns,
See if I
Ezra.
have powers.
Ezra.
Put your hands on first.
Ezra,
Yeah, put your
let
hands
go.
on. I have powers too.
Wow,
We have powers.
that's pretty cool.
We have powers. We have powers. We have powers.
What's in there?
No idea how to go.
I want someone to
Go, Scarlett, go.
There's a flashlight.
Ezra, you brave. Go.
Come here.
I have my thoughts.
What are you doing? Oh no. Jesus. Yeah, that is awesome. Yeah, it's a nice hiking up there. Imagine what that's like after the big rains start coming in the fall. It's probably loud. Treehouse Masters.
Imagine if you fall and die.
Watch that board there. That's a little scary.
Dude, this whole thing's scary. Imagine how much feet we could die.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I don't feel I could
Maybe it's up a different way.
Nice chairs.
Oh, there's Douglas. Let's go.
No doubt.
You're scared?
What? Don't fall down. What are you doing? What is that? Oh, seriously? Okay, I'm not going down that way. It's really beautiful out here at Dogwood Canyon in Missouri, right on the border with Arkansas. So you can hike 6.5 miles into Arkansas here with the nature trail. It's a really cool place. Kids are having a blast. So beautiful. Beautiful place. Absolutely beautiful.
You don't want to go into the wilderness, Castle?
I was checking out the river.
So you don't want to go in the wilderness?
Sure. Is that where it did? Okay. I'm gonna go check out the waterfall.
Are we going into the wilderness, Castle?
No, I said I wanted to check out the waterfall.
Where's everybody else?
I don't know. In the wilderness chapel. In the chapel.
On the bottom floor?
Yep. Pretty cool waterfall, huh? Beautiful.
Wrong, you.
Do you have any dollar bills?
Yes.
Are you guys coming?
Water is free.
Where are we going?
Hey, if you want to go up that stairway, and go up here on the deck and go here. Take that car. If you want to go up the stairs and go up the stairs and then go back.
Yeah.
You can turn the camera around to your face and talk to me.
This is Dogwood Canyon. Going inside the chapel. Let's go, Sapphire. It's a cool little chapel place. A lot of chairs.
Me getting all comfortable.
Zipper's all comfortable. Wait, are you trying to sleep?
Relax.
She's tired, I'm guessing.
Oh, this is nice.
This hurts my head.
The Holy Bible. And there's Teacher Thomas, Thailand.
Very good.
I can't see it.
Show the rocking chairs.
No. Some rocking chairs outside. Nice, and the air conditioning. Have a pretend you're like vegetable.
There you go. Okay, good. Say, don't pick your nose.
Don't pick your nose.
Good job.
You're videoing.
Yeah, but I can take screenshot pictures at any point. So
Stuck.
Sapphire, reach your arm.
Good job.
Scarlett,
Good
get
job.
in your
don't fall
Put your
down.
hands in your pocket, Scarlett. You put your hand in your pocket. Sapphire, try reaching out.
Picturesque. Turn around, talk to the camera.
What are we talking about?
Where are you?
We're in a jungle.
No, it's not a jungle.
Well, it's an area.
It's
I forgot
forest.
the forest, yeah.
Dogwood
And we're
Canyon.
going past. We're going on the bridge to see some caves. Not that dumb.
I'm worried about the camera, not you.
Oh. I feel like if I fall, I'm just gonna have a really sore bottom because look how skinny that is.
So this bridge was built by pioneers back in the 90s.
Yeah. And it's very small though. I'll show that side up a little bit.
That's a beautiful view over there. Okay, and then hold it like level. There you go. Yeah.
Dad, is there only one cave or more than one?
You are not a steady cam holder.
I am so good.
One cave up here and then
Okay, there's several. I don't know how much, just several. And we're close to the cave, so that means we're not even halfway through. We're almost halfway through though. There's trees. And that's water that looks blurry, bluish thing, gray. And there's more trees. Cool, huh? It's super cool. And there's like horse riding too. But I don't really see any horses right now, but I don't know what that is. But Dad said no, we can't. And then there is some bikes, so if you don't want to walk, but we have to walk because my dad said so. And so I think we're about to go into a cave right in a minute. So I don't know if you could see or anything, so yeah. And after the cave, I guess we're turning back. I don't even know. My brother says he says things, but I don't know if they're true because my dad's the boss. And I think that's a cave right there. Yeah?
Stop it.
I know.
Push the red button on top.
Yeah, I'm starting it with some bats. So really muddy. Okay. I'm gonna go over the rocks. They're slippery. Oh. Ghosts aren't real.
Not at all.
At least I don't think so.
It doesn't say in the Bible, so it shouldn't.
Okay, I'm on the water now. Yeah, we can't go in. Boo-hoo, we can't go in. I think we had to go back.
I can slip through those pores.
You could, but we're not. So I guess you
Cool
can't.
air coming out
I
of
guess
there.
it's illegal.
Nature air conditioning.
Hello, trouty, trouty, trouty. Rainbow trout. Pretty cool, huh? They are good to eat. Really good eating. All right, let's go.
Smile, not as a weirdo.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Peace and love to everyone.
I didn't see a door. I was wrong. I'm the wrongest smart husky today. That's a cool picture too.
Dad, what's trout food?
Trout. Oh, cool.
Wow. Look at the trout just laying there. You see, Scarlett? Scarlett, see all the trout? Yeah, get a lot of oxygen off that water. They're just laying there. Beautiful. Yeah, probably the highest level of oxygen they can get right there.